Hey guys, welcome to another video of GardenObsessions. It's Sunday night. It's been a long day, but it was a beautiful day today. It was about 70 degrees outside, so we were able to take care of a lot of stuff out in the yard. We just now put the kids to bed. Tomorrow's school, so we're trying to wrap up this day. It's been about a week since we did the Southern Spring Home and Garden Show. We didn't get around to putting the video together, but we're going to go ahead and put some of that stuff together for you.
Yeah, we weren't sure if to put it or not, because being our first time going to a garden show, we were just so excited. We're like little kids, we didn't know what to expect, and it was just so much fun that we just wanted to enjoy it. And being new at this, going out there in public and vlogging, it's not that easy.
No, definitely not.
When you're not used to it, but it was a good experience for us, and we know what to do next time.
Yeah, definitely. So I think we kind of lost the focus and actually shooting an actual video. A lot of it's going to be rough videos, so I hope you guys do enjoy it. But before we get to some of that, we just wanted to, when we did the video, they had the lights turned down.
Yeah, they were
low.
dim. The reason for the lights to be dim is because you got to remember they did a wonderful job in putting these displays together in just a matter of days. So all the plants, they get stressed, so they didn't want any strong light on them, so they wouldn't get stressed. But everything looked beautiful. The colors, it was still beautiful. There was nothing wrong with that.
Yeah, definitely took some inspiration for that. So before we go any further, you might be asking, why do we have 2 bottles of wine next to us?
Was it that rough today?
No, definitely not. One thing we do like to do is drink wine. So we picked up some pretty good stuff. We bought some stuff that wasn't plants. We kind of didn't want to, we have plans for what we're going to do this spring and summer, so we don't want to throw those plans off. So we stayed away from buying plants and stuff.
It was really hard though.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, not bringing in, more plants. But like Ambrose said, we have a plan.
Oh yeah. So here's some of the stuff that we got real quick. These are 2 bottles of wine that we bought. The first one is a Cabernet Franc, which is a Cabernet Sauvignon mixed with the Merlot, which is pretty
really
good. And the one that I'm really interested in drinking is, I tried it, it's a Cabernet Sauvignon as well that was aged in bourbon barrels, and that tasted pretty good when I tested it, so I definitely had to get one of those. You want to talk about these here?
Pots, yeah. So they had a lot of vendors there. There was quite a bit of people there selling stuff, but there's the pots. They were amazing. And oh my goodness, Amanda was there selling them. He was so helpful. What did he do?
So the guy, it's called it's Asian Specialty Shop here in North Carolina, somewhere near Raleigh, Durham. Unfortunately, they don't do any online orders, so you'd have to go over there and get them. But this was a good deal. We paid $33 for 3 different pots.
You want to bring them?
So you got the 3 saucers here. You got a small one.
The color's so pretty.
This large one, obviously, and then this medium right here. So one of the cool things about it was when we bought them, he actually grabbed them. He has a special tool where he banged each one of them and it made that sound right there. And somehow he was able to tell if there was any cracks at all. And if there was, he'd go ahead and replace it right there on the spot. But
Such a nice person.
That was a pretty cool thing we picked up as well.
And I don't think we took video of that, right? We didn't. No. I wish we would have. All the pots that they had, they were such a good price. So we're going back.
Oh, yeah,
we're going to go to the shop, and we're going to go ahead. The reason we didn't bring the big pots is because I didn't want them banging in the truck and breaking. But I definitely want to go back and get some big pots. So one thing I did want to do was bring home plants that we don't have at all. We do love succulents and cactus, and I have a few cacti and a few succulents, but we've never owned air plants. So these guys, I hope y'all can see them from there. Let me put them closer. Isn't that beautiful? This one's actually flowering right there.
Then there's that one there.
So this is something we definitely wanted to try out, and I couldn't leave without a couple of these. I only got 3 because I want to learn how to take care of them first.
Yep.
They're pretty easy to take care of though. Once we get it down and know exactly though how it goes, I'll share with y'all how it goes with these guys. But so far it's been very easy.
Oh yeah, very easy.
All I've done is just spray them for now. Later I'll soak them and I'll let y'all know more about it. But that's what we got.
Yep. All right, guys. So we're gonna close this video out with some of the footage from the show. It's gonna be rough footage. We're gonna try to put it together the best that we can. One of the things, like I said, we were more excited about being at the show and trying to enjoy it that we kind of forgot about, you know, taking some actual footage we can use to do an actual tour.
And still getting used to vlogging in front of everybody, you know, honestly.
So, but like I said, we were excited by the people that we met. I mean,
yes, of course, you know, Garden Answer, you know, we will be showing a little bit of, you know, the Q&A that she had at the show with Mr. Marshall Dirks, which he is director
of marketing for Proven Winners. We were able to meet him and talk to some of the staff there as well.
But the great thing was that the Q&A, we took a lot out of it.
Oh yeah.
So that was kind of hard to sit there and do video because we wanted to really learn, you know, pay attention to it. But
one of the other things is what we were talking about earlier was we, you know, we're a relatively small channel. And we wanted to say thanks and hi to anybody that did recognize us. We
did not expect it, guys. So thank you so much to everybody that did, you know, the people that got to recognize us, to see us, I mean, and say hi, you know.
Not just from YouTube, but Instagram. We have a lot of followers on Instagram in the local area. So thank you to those people as well. But I guess that's pretty much going to be it. We're going to enjoy this wine that we have here.
Yes.
While I put this video together for you guys. If you haven't given this video a like, please give it a like. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe so we can keep putting out some awesome content for you guys. And we'll see you guys in the next video.
Bye. Enjoy, guys.
So I am Marshall Dirks, and I'm the Director of Marketing for Proven Winners. Proven Winners is a company that was founded in 1992-93, and we are all about garden performance. So we test our plants. Annuals get tested for 3 years. Shrubs and perennials get tested for Garden Answer.
Looking in there, I would learn so much from other people, just what varieties they had experienced growing and what I had grown and what we learned about, you know, because that's how I learn. I learn by doing. I do not.
Picture plants. Pictures. Look how cool those are. It's a baby pineapple. Wait, is that a real pineapple? Is that a real pineapple plant? Wow.
So this is the entrance right here, guys. I hope I don't move too fast here. Now, isn't that just pretty? It's so simple, but so pretty. It's like the entrance of a home right here, of a pathway. It's a little pathway and it is just so pretty. You like it, Angelina? And how beautiful is this with all the designing, all the layers, I mean? And the sound of the water.
They exist. It's a she shed.
A she shed?
They do exist.
This is what I want, guys.
They do
This
exist.
is what I want and I need.
She shed design and
Yeah,
installation.
ladies. Definitely. Look at that.
You even got the chandelier. It's kind of got a desert
feel, but it's still got some green in it.
Yeah.
You can get wet butter.
Look at this little area, guys. It's made out of rock. A little area just to sit down, have some wine, tea, whatever, just hang out at the end of the day or on the weekend. Isn't that amazing? It's made out of just rock. That's just an awesome idea, guys. Just using stuff from, you know, from nature. It just blends in so well with everything else. I think this is right here one of my favorite landscapes, guys. Isn't this beautiful? This one I think is Garden 8 from Plantman LLC, Elton, Laos. Just so pretty.
This one caught my eye. I like the way the rocks are. You see that? Must have taken a lot of time to get the rocks to that. This is something definitely that I want. Got some ligustrum in there. Nice little fountain. Nice little fire pit.
Interesting. This is so beautiful, and this is very inspiring to what we want to do at the moment with our garden. And this is what I mean about bringing in greenery, or shall I say just all year round season interest. It's plants that I haven't even thought of bringing into the backyard. Just, I love the way they have layered everything, the plants. Look at that pop of red right there. Isn't that just stunning? My goodness.
Here's a crazy part of the chicken coop. Chickens would be awesome. The only thing that we wouldn't be able to do it is because we live on a base and they don't allow us to have chickens, and it'd probably be pretty noisy. But overall, I mean, I think it'd be an awesome thing to have. Another little potting shed we have here, and I would kill to have something like this, but like again, like I said, you know, limited space where we live at and what we're doing. But this is pretty awesome. That's funny, we actually have one of these.
Super Bowls along the bottom.